vision. Today we're making cupcakes. Halloween cupcakes because it's close to Halloween for us.
Yep, to get all the balloon batching.
Okay, since it's Halloween, we got many Halloween things. We got orange food coloring to put in the icing.
Yep.
So we can have orange icing.
Oil.
And this is our icing. We can have white ones.
We have oil.
Water. And mix. And Marcus, now we need to pour the batter in.
Yep.
That's a boy. Hey, Abel, I have a question for you. What are you going to be for Halloween?
A ghost.
A camouflage one or normal? White.
Ghost.
A camouflage?
Yeah. Time for the oil.
No, not yet, Abel. We'll see you when all this is in. Wait, guys, guess what? I'm going to be for Halloween. I'm going to be a girl vampire. If you guys don't know,
Wait.
vampires.
This is sing a bird.
What?
This sing a bird.
Ah!
Where you ran out?
It's okay. Your turn, Abel. Need to pour in the oil.
I just showed the mountain.
That's the color of maybe strawberry. Abel, now we take turns stirring, right?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Abel's turn. 1, 2, 3. My turn. 1, 2, 3. Yep, we are good. While Abel's stirring. Abel, keep stirring. Oh, that. Oh, and then we got a shell in there. Nope, no shell. All right. Oh, there we go.
I can't stand.
One last. Hey, count with me. 3, 2, 1. Guys, look at all these posters. Alright, guys, time to get this ready. Abel's doing the yellow. I'm doing the purple. So first, this one is here. Abel, I'm gonna make it a tic-tac-toe row. Abel, it's the last one.
All right, guys, it's the last one.
Oh! And Mommy, can we use these for fun? Yay!
Yeah!
The purple.
You're pretty old.
I have an idea. Abel, look. Oh, pretend there's cupcake batter. Oh.
Oh, there's cupcake batter on me.
Now we need to pour the batter in the cupcakes. Ooh, you gotta be fast, Abel. That's not enough. Right, Abel? See, that's not enough.
That's not
Quick.
enough.
That was quick. Ooh.
Oh, that's a lot.
Mom, it's not working. One more scoop, I'll say.
Ooh, I'm putting a lot.
Abel, don't put too much. All right, that's good, because they're going to rise.
Mom, I'm just gonna get a spoonful. Just spoonful.
Abel, if you make it too big, they'll explode, and then we'll break the cupcakes, and we can't eat them, because they'll be burned. So we have to be careful.
Mommy,
Abel, that's good. Move on to the next one.
You got a little too much right there.
Yeah.
No.
Ooh.
I'm gonna help you do the last one.
We have one more. Pour it, Abel. All right, I'm a flat. Abel, now we have to flatten it and make sure it's straight.
Flat.
That one's flat. That one's flat. Flat. Flat.
Big flat.
Flat. Flat. Flat. Flat. Flat. Flat. I think they're all flat on it. Oh, look, guys, there's extras. All right, guys, my mom's gonna set the timer. 350 degrees. That's how hot it is. It's gonna be in there, guys. Now it's my mom's turn. She's gonna put it in.
I'm trying to lift the spoon.
I'll close it. Bye bye, cupcakes. We'll eat you when you're done and we're gonna finish the icing. You'll have hair. I don't like you when you say that. No. Hey, set a timer for 17. Set a timer for 17 minutes.
Second timer, 17 minutes. Starting now.
Second timer. Alright guys, while our cupcakes are in the oven, we're gonna make white icing
Mom,
and
Mom,
orange icing.
spatula.
Oh, scoop it out.
That's a little. I can do a big scoop.
I'm just gonna do
Ooh,
that.
Mama, look how big my
Well,
scoop is.
push it, put it in the orange. It looks kind of blacky ready right now. Oh, it actually does make orange. I thought it was gonna make a ready kind of color. Hey, Abel, look, there's some up here. Grab it. Yeah. Hey. Good. Wait, Abel, give me. Wait. Yeah. Wait, Abel, calm down. Calm down. All right, Abel, now we have to turn.
Mama, make a hyper scheme. Mama, make a hyper.
Abel, don't go crazy. Abel, keep it in. Don't take it out. Let's see if Abel can do it. Oh, no, it's way too heavy. Look, guys, they're already starting to rise.
Oh, wait, look at those ready.
Guys, the timer's going off. Off. All right, guys, I'm going to open this up, but my mom's, we need a backup. Ready, set, go.
Oh.
I opened it, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look, I see the biggest one. I'm eating the biggest one. Now, we always have grown up. So this is Mommy. I'm gonna open it and take it. Mom, tap them, make sure it's okay. Okay, she knows it's good. Ooh, I got you. Say, oh, I got you. All right, guys. Now we need to start on the icing.
Hey, come on. Come on, silly cupcake.
My turn. I'm gonna do my big one because I got a big
Spread.
spread. I have an idea.
Spread.
If you want to know my idea, comment down below.
Put some more.
I'm gonna make it a top one. I'm gonna make it facing up. Abel, guess what my idea is? Guys, let's keep going.
Oh, silly cupcake.
Why is the icing melting like right on it?
Yeah, why is it?
I know, we should have waited for them to cool off. Well, just don't grab too much icing, Abel.
I'm putting like,
I wish I could eat that melty frosting, but I can't.
well, my cupcakes are ready.
What? That's way too much, Abel.
Oh, yeah, okay, guys, I'm gonna eat mine. Let's see. Oh, I want the golden one.
Is that yummy, Abel?
Yeah.
Hey, guys, I have a question for my mom. Mom, can I eat the icing?
You can eat a cupcake.
Okay, I'll just lick off some from the... Can I do that? Okay. Guys, look. Sweet. I'm going to paint a picture with my icing finger. Comment down below and guess what it is. It's starting out with a circle. 1 line, 2 line, 3 line. If you think it's a flower, come down below. But if you think it's a sun, come down. Hit the like button.
Well, I want to keep eating them.
No, don't eat anymore. All right, guys. Look, guess what it is? If you thought it was a flower, then you should have commented down below. If you thought it was a sun, you should have hit that subscribe button. If you guessed it was a sun, you were correct. But stick with the one you picked. Don't cheat, or else you're gonna have mama conversation.
What's that?
When you get in trouble. Ew! And look what happened inside. I'm gonna eat it. Wait, can I?
Hmm?
Let's see.
Is it good?
This is the end of our roof. Or if you guys noticed why, look, ears 2, 3, 4, 5. Count me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We have 19 cupcakes. Time to dig in, guys. Bye.